Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Squirrel. To create this model, I'll be taking half of the origami sheet and keeping the white side on the top, I'll be folding into half. As you all may be aware of Indian epic Ramayana, Lord Rama needed to build a bridge across the sea to Lanka to rescue his wife Sita. A tiny squirrel decided to help him. It carried small pebbles to build the bridge. But it was the pebbles that filled in the gaps between the big stones that made the bridge strong. Impressed by his gesture, Rama lifted up the squirrel and gently ran his fingers over the squirrel's back and put him down. The three white stripes that we see on the back of squirrel are believed to be the marks of Lord Rama's finger. Align the top edge with the side edge to create a diagonal fold. Make a half crease there. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Turn the paper, then in the bottom, do the steps as shown. Turn the model again, and on the top side, you already have the pre-creasing. Go according to the pre-creasing, then flatten the paper as demonstrated. Then turn the paper and fold the paper into half. Now the model will look like this. We have the opening here, so push it down from this point by holding it tight here. Collapse the paper like this. I'll repeat it one more time. Fold down the paper as shown. Rotate it and fold it down again. Now we have one box shape with a diagonal fold. Let's make one more box with a diagonal fold. Now we have two boxes. Here we have a diagonal fold. Open the flaps and fold down the paper on the same crease line. Then fold it up. Then press it like this. Now bring this side to this line and make a crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. While folding this, press it slightly and reverse the paper as shown. Curl it little to give the tail shape. To do the feet, bring this tip to this point and fold a triangle here and bring the sides to the bottom and fold it down. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now let's work on the face of the squirrel. Here, to give a curve shape, fold in small triangle like this. And to do the ears, fold this triangle inside and the same on the other side too. Then pull up a small triangle from inside to make the ears. Open the ears slightly. Then you can draw the eyes. To give the curve shape to the head of the squirrel, fold in small triangles in all the corners. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Origami squirrel is done. Thank you for watching.